I'm so stoked. So stoked. How many of you are Bridgerton fans? So today I wanted to actually kick off with these Bridgerton inspired nails, and hopefully you guys get inspired. So let's just jump right in. I think Bridgerton, a whole lot of lace designs. So this plate has like some cute flowers and lace, and the eye holes and everything is so cute. Look at that. High impact, one stamp and you're done. The next one, we have like this really cute plate here, M477, which is a French design, which I thought was so cute. Kind of looked like a tiara almost. Really simple. And who doesn't love a really good, easy, fun way to get a really cute nail art? So this inspiration for like the color palette and stuff is going to be from Lady Danbury's beautiful velvet dress. It kind of has like that similar color with the brocade gold, and I thought the sticker was just perfect. So look at that, one sticker, a nail design already done. And kind of keeping with that kind of Regency vibe, I'm actually going to be using this plate, which is MXM103. So basically I'm isolating, just using this one design. I'm kind of piecing together parts that I want. So I wanted to do kind of like a little floral design. And you know what too, if any of these designs doesn't resonate with you because you're not Bridgerton fans, it's okay. I think a lot of these designs actually apply to like if you have special event. I know it's like prom season too. It doesn't necessarily have to be Bridgerton, so that's why I was like, if you know, you know, but it's just giving the inspiration of, not spelling it out Bridgerton. I think anybody can actually wear these.